Hey everyone, and welcome back to your Repeat After Me English Fluency lesson. This is level 2, lesson number 6, and today we're going to learn all about describing people. Like, what do I look like? What do they look like? Or any other characteristic we want to describe. So let's get started with this one because it is super important, okay? Our first sentence is, she has long brown hair. She has long brown hair. Now, there are grammar rules that we can use to know which order to put these descriptive adjectives in. Now, I'm not going to do that in this lesson because this is more about fluency and less about grammar. But if you want to know, you can just look up the order of adjectives and it's on Google or Bing or anything. Okay, so it's very easy to find. But let's make this sentence nice and smooth. She has long. She has long. She has long. The tone sounds like it's going up, right? It is, because we're being helpful, right? We're being very helpful, so our tone is up. Hey, hi, would you like some help? Same idea. She has long brown hair. Brown hair. The N has a vibration to it, which means we can go into hair. Brown hair. Hair. Brown hair. Brown hair. So altogether, she has long brown hair. Repeat after me. She has long brown hair. Hmm. She has long brown hair. Now we could describe the hair even more. We could say she has long brown hair in a ponytail. Or she has long brown hair in a braid. Or we could change it. She doesn't have to have long brown hair. She has short brown hair. She has short blonde hair. She has long red hair. Okay? We could change it to anything. We could even change who. He has long brown hair. Why not, right? He has short brown hair. He has short blonde hair. So the colors would be brown, blonde, blonde. That's the yellow hair, right? We have red, black, and some people have other colors, but those are the four main colors, I think. And there's lots of different ones like auburn and ash blonde and all these other colors, but don't worry about that. Usually keeping it simple when you describe someone is the best idea. It's less likely to cause a mistake or confusion. Let's look at sentence number 2. He is very tall. Well, we know how to blend this already. He's, okay. He's, he's very, he's very, he's very, he's very, he's very tall. He's very tall. That's a simple sentence, right? But it's important. He's very tall. Repeat after me. He's very tall. Hmm. He's very tall. We could change it. He's not very tall. He's not very tall. He's short. She's short. She's tall. She's very tall. Super easy, right? We can combine this sentence with the previous sentence. Let's make it she. We'll make both of them she, okay? She's very tall with long brown hair. She's very tall. She's very tall with. She's very tall with long. She's very tall with long brown hair. Brown hair. Brown hair. She's very tall with long brown hair. Repeat after me. She's very tall with long brown hair. Mm. She's very tall with long brown hair. Look how nice that is. The sentences, when we describe something or someone, They're very short, but we can stack them together to make longer sentences, more descriptive sentences. Let's move on to our third sentence, which is, she is wearing a blue dress. Nice, nice. Let's blend that one. She's wearing, she's wearing, she's wearing a, right? We connect the A to that word. She's wearing a blue dress. Detail, we emphasize it. Blonde hair, brown hair, long hair, right? Blue dress, same idea. She's wearing a blue dress. Nice. Repeat after me. She's wearing a blue dress. Remember to have that tone go up, right? She's wearing a blue dress. Nice. She's wearing a blue dress. That's nice. She's wearing a blue dress and has long brown hair. See? It's easy. They stack on top of each other. Take a look at our fourth sentence. He has a friendly personality. He has a friendly personality. Woof. Enunciating that makes that hard. Let's blend it to make it easier. He has a friendly. He has a friendly. No D, right? We don't need it. Friendly. Friendly. So easy to do. Friendly. Look how much my tongue had to move. Lazy. English is lazy, right? He has a friendly personality. Look at that. Friendly and personality, they rhyme, right? It sounds good going together. He has a friendly personality. 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 Stretch it out. Make it easier. So repeat after me. He has a friendly personality. He has a friendly personality, which is the best one, right? But you could also do the negative. He has a terrible personality. We know people like this, right? He has an ugly personality. He's just mean, right? He has a mean personality. She has a sweet personality. He has a sweet personality. She has an ugly personality. Hey, it goes both ways, right? So we can easily change it to match whoever we're talking about. Let's look at our fifth sentence, which is how old someone is. She is about 25 years old. Now we're going to enunciate on the number. So let's take a look at this. Let's blend it. She's about. She's about what? She's about 25. Now I said we're going to enunciate, but I didn't say 20, right? I said 20. I got rid of that second T. We have slowed down enough that you understand both numbers. 25. So that's still technically enunciating, right? It's not like it's 25. It's not muddy. It's not jumbled up and sounds like trash, right? We can reduce the letters in the sounds and still enunciate what we're saying. She's about 25 years old. Ooh. She's about 25 years old. Years old. We blend those two together. So put this all together. She's about 25 years old. Repeat after me. She's about 25 years old. She's about 25 years old. If you want to put the T in like I did for the first one, you can. But The second one was much easier to say. She's about 25 years old. Totally up to you. But remember, when we enunciate some words and we don't enunciate the rest, it sometimes sounds strange. It sounds more important. Okay, so if it's different from your normal way of speaking, people will listen to that and be like, why'd he or she say it so clearly? So remember that. It can change the meaning unintentionally, right? He's about 42 years old. Hmm. I'm not 42 though. Not yet. Maybe one day. Let's move on to our sixth sentence, which is, ooh, a nice combo, right? He is funny and always makes people laugh. I don't know who that is. Let's put this together. Let's blend it all. Ready? He's funny. He's funny. He's funny. He's funny and he's funny and always. And always. Keep your tongue up. And always. He's funny and always. What? He's funny and always makes people laugh. Makes people laugh. Boom, boom, boom. Enunciate it, right? He's funny and always makes people laugh. Yeah, repeat after me. He's funny and always makes people laugh. That light makes me look like I have no chin. He's funny and always makes people laugh. I have a chin, don't worry. It's right there. He's funny and always makes people laugh. He's mean and always makes people sad. So our tone's got to go down, right? Because this is a negative. He's mean and always makes people sad. She's unhappy and makes people feel bad, right? Or she's happy and makes people feel good, which is better, much better. Make other people feel better. That's what I try to do. Even when I'm mad, I try to make others feel better. So, describing people, right? Try and describe me. That's a good one for you. This will be dangerous and kind of kind of worrisome, but there you go. Leave me a comment, leave me a message. Describe me, okay? Tell me using these descriptive words what I'm like, okay? I'm curious to see what you write. I'm actually kind of scared to see what you write. But hey, life's an adventure. Let's see what happens. Now, on the next lesson, lesson number 7, we're going to talk about feelings. Yeah, we're going to talk about feelings, okay? So I will see you for lesson number 7, all right? Goodbye.